Hello every YouTubers! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Jess here of Glamformation Makeup by Jess. And I'm really sorry kasi sobrang naging busy ako addressing my clients' needs. Kaya ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-upload ng video. So for today's video, I'm going to share some techniques to achieve this fresh look, no hulas makeup, especially for people or clients na oily and pawisin na talaga namang perfect for any occasion. So let's get started by preparing or cleansing our client's face. Today I'm going to use Salatech toner na super mild and nakaka-remove talaga ng excess oil. Don't skip this step kasi mahirap mag-blend ng products pag oily ang face. Now I'm gonna grab my favorite MUAng Fix Plus to moisturize the skin. At this very moment, Miss Micah is informing me na sobrang pawisin siya at oily. Kaya naman, gagamit ako ng Scandinavia to mattify the skin. Nurturing Force Blot Out Offensive Shine plus Oil Control Cream naman ang gagamitin kong primer para hindi agad mag-oily si Madam at talagang di humulas ang makeup. I am using a Glad King Beauty Blender to blend the primer all over her face and neck. Wala kang dapat palampasin, day, bawal tipirin. Now, my all-time favorite cream foundation na talagang di ka iiwan, RCMA 6-part palette. For me, the best tool to blend the foundation, concealer, cream contour, and cream highlight is a beauty blender. You just need to dab it on your clients or your face and never wipe it because it's not gonna give you a sheer, well-blended finish. Let's have a closer look. I am now doing the cream highlights under the eyes, the T-zone, and the chin. As mentioned before, this together with the contour would create a dimension and depth on our client's face. So never neglect it. Wow, English! Nosebleed mga ati. Blending is the key for a beautiful base, kaya huwag kayong mapapagod mag-blend mga lovies. Blend lang ng blend, hanggang sa makuha mo yung tamang timpla. At para naman mas natural looking at well-blended ang nose line or nose contour, better use a cream foundie as your base, then minimal application na lang ng powder contour mamaya after setting it. Benay Banana Luxury Powder naman ang gagamitin ko today as setting and finishing powder. Sobrang fine ang finish nito at hypoallergenic. Applying setting powder is a must so that the base foundation, highlight, and contour won't move. Tip: set everything pati sa kasulok-sulukan para walang mag-cause ng movement or pagkahulas. It's airbrush time! I'll use a pro airbrush foundation called Graftobian. Ilalaban ko to ng pustahan. Walang hulas pag ito ang gamit nyo mga lovies. Available at HD Makeup Studio and Academy sa Ortigas. As you could see, I am doing a rounding motion in applying the foundation so it could really blend well. And I am using a soft tissue para di masyadong matamaan ng product ang hair. Ayaw naman nating magmukha siyang lola, di ba? Using the same product, I will highlight the T-zone, under eyes, and chin. Gagamit din ako ng airbrush para sa blush on. And if you wanna know the shades that I used, as well as the brand of my airbrush, just comment down below mga lovies. Isaset ko ulit gamit ang Benay powder and Zoeva brush. At since pawisin at oily si Madam, I will bake a lot, especially sa parts na madalas siyang pagpawisan. This could minimize and control the sweating and the production of oil. Mga lovies, comment down below to know why I also bake under the eyes and on other parts. Go na, comment na mga lovies! Kilay goals naman tayo and I'm gonna use Pinnacle in V4 shade. Nabili ko to sa Shopee at may free brush na siyang kasama. Pero ang brush na gamit ko ngayon, pang kilay ay sobrang tagal na sa akin. Nabili ko to noong 2015 pa and I'm planning to resell the same brushes kasi subok ko na ang quality. Baka naman, bili na kayo mga lovies pag nagsala ko nito ha. Nagsisimula nang magpawis si Madam, and di ko in-expect na ganun kabilis siyang magpapawis kasi naka-aircon naman ang room. So pupunasan ko muna ang part ng face niya na pawisan gamit ang soft tissue. Tapos ibibake ko ng bonggang-bongga ang mga parts na yon para mas controlled ang pagpapawis. I will continuously do that sa ibang part bago ko ituloy ang pagkikilay. Now, I have my Nishido Clear Brow Gel. I'm gonna brush it to the brow's base part upward to create a natural bushy brows. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and start the eyeshadow by highlighting the brow bones. Transition color naman mga lovies. Tip: choose a shade depending on your client's skin tone. This time I preferred using a peachy orange shade para lakas maka-fresh. And as mentioned sa mga nauna kong videos, dapat sa transition color pa lang, well blended na. Now to create the eye's depth, contouring is a must. Use a color that is darker than the transition color like mocha brown, taupe, maroonish brown, etc. But I seldom use black unless it's a pageant. Lakas kasi makatapang ng black eh. For the highlights, I love using shimmery eyeshadows. Use a shade that would make the eyes really expressive like cream, beige, silver, or gold. And by the way, the brushes that I used for the eyeshadow are all from Dress Up. Comment down below if you want to know where did I buy these awesome brushes. Para di magmukhang makikidigma si Madam, kalmahan lang natin ang mata. So I'm gonna take the same shade of eyeshadow that I used on the transition color and smudge it on her lower eyelid. It's mascara time! This one's my favorite, Maybelline New York. I wanna achieve on-flick lashes yet natural looking. Kaya dapat wag i-over-apply ang mascara and let the client look down para mas madali ang application. Para naman sa malakasang false eyelashes, gagamit ako ng Taiwan lashes which I am planning to sell real soon. Bili kayong mga lovies ha! Para sa on-fleek na lashes, dapat sagad ang pagkakadikit sa roots ng original lashes. Bawal ang chismis kaya isagad natin mga lovies ha! Moving on, I'm gonna use ABH Tricolor Blush. Iko-combine ko lang ang coral and pink colors. And be reminded that the placement of the blush on must be at the apple of the cheeks. Syempre, huwag kakalimutang magtaktak ng brush para di mag-fallout ang products at para di sobrang kapal ng application. For the powder contour, I'm using BYS. Drugstore makeup ito pero lakas maka ABH at Kat Von D ng finish. Malakasan mga lovies! Since tuyo na ang eyelash glue, mag-eyelash curler na tayo para mag-blend ang natural at false eyelashes gamit ang curler from F&S. Cat eye gaming naman tayo mga lovies, gamit ang Maybelline New York Liquid Eyeliner. Super ganda nito kasi ang fine ng tip at long wear ang product kahit umiyak, hindi huhulas. Don't forget the 45-degree rule in applying the cat eye mga lovies! Now for the eyes waterline, I'll use MUAng eye pencil in dark brown. Usually hinuhuli ko ang waterline kasi pag naluha si client, mahirap idikit ang falsies. Para sa nahihirapan mag-apply nito, sabihan nyo lang ang client na tumingin sa taas, tapos i-pull down ng very light ang lower part ng waterline para mag-pop out ito. Now to finish the eye look, I'll grab again my Maybelline mascara and apply some rightful amount on the lower lashes. ABH Sugar Glow Kit is the very product I'll use for the highlighter or illuminizer. Careful not to apply too much kasi magmumukhang oily si client. Sa lahat naman ng bagay, masama ang sobra, diba? I'm using a brush from Dress Up and I'll be highlighting the cheeks, the nose, the chin, and the upper lip. Now let's brush off the excess powder and ensure that everything is well blended. And finally, to finish the look, I'm going to use my MUAng Lippies in Please Me combined with kinda sexy shades. Ang gamit ko na lip brush ay actually kapatid ng kilay brush na gamit ko kanina. Sobrang matibay talaga itong mga lovies. Highly recommended, 5 stars. Ganon. For a more sheer and well-blended look, I'll use MUAng Fix Plus, and for the entire makeup to really last, I'll use Skindinavia Bridal Setting Spray, and voila! So there you have it, my finished look featuring fresh and No Hulas makeup, specially for oily and sweaty clients. Give us a thumbs up, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, huwag mahihiyang i-click ang subscribe button at i-click ang bell. Follow me on my social media account, everything is at Glamformation Makeup by Jess, and leave a comment if you have questions or requests. Love you all mga lovies!